I have a broken microwave door handle here. It's broken on the bottom. It is a Maytag. I got the product information right here. Okay, so the materials that I'm going to need for this project and the tools are a Phillips screwdriver, preferably a magnetic one. A pair of pliers I use just to hold the piece of broken plastic in place. Putty knife, use this to pry the inside of the microwave off. Krazy glue to fix the broken piece, and some double-sided tape at the end there just to make sure the handle stayed in place. First thing you want to do is unplug the microwave. I took my putty knife, kind of wedged it in all the way around, loosen everything up, and then just kind of peel it away. Right here there is a single screw that is holding on the broken piece of the handle. I'm going to use a pair of pliers here to hold the broken plastic in place while I turn the screw on the other side. The screw and the broken piece of plastic from the outside of the microwave door. And there you see the screw is now removed. Here's the broken piece right there. I'm just going to use some Krazy glue and try and stick that back in there and make sure it's fastened on there good. Okay, so I've glued the plastic piece back in place. I've also added a few strips of double-sided tape, which hopefully will help stick the handle back onto the microwave. I'll attach the top piece just kind of loosely here. Put the screw in, and it is now hanging here. I'm going to peel off the two-sided tape before I put the bottom screw in. So the handle's back in place. You can see a bit of the two-sided tape just kind of around the outside. I've got the screw in the top one, and I'm just about to put the screw back into the bottom one. Okay, now that we've got the handle back, we're going to put our inside cover back on, and it should just kind of snap back into place. So the handle's back on. Get the two-sided tape on both screws. Seems to be holding up pretty good.